Hey kids! Today we will draw a cute microwave oven. Are you excited?
Yay!
How to draw? Make sure to draw with me. Draw a rounded rectangle. Draw another rounded rectangle. Now draw two trapezoid. Draw two lines. Draw another rounded rectangle. Now draw some circles. Draw some more rounded rectangles. Now draw a half circle. Draw a zigzag. Draw a line. Draw a rounded rectangle. Draw some dots. Draw some heat waves. Draw eyes. Our drawing is completed.
Yay!
Let's start coloring. Try to color with me. Color the rectangle pink.
Yay!
Turn it into blue color.
Yay!
Paint the trapezoid into blue color.
Yay!
Turn the button into blue shades.
Yay!
Color these rectangles blue.
Yay!
Now color these buttons.
Yay!
Color the rectangle blue.
Yay!
Color these buns yellow.
Yay!
Color the salad green.
Yay!
Color it brown.
Yay!
Our cute microwave oven is ready to be used in kitchen. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos.
Yay!
Thanks for watching.